Hi everyone, my name is Alexis. I'm the executive assistant here at OTG 247. I wanted to hop on here and tell you how I use my OTG bags to organize for yoga. I've been doing yoga for a few years now and I absolutely love it. I usually go to a studio here in town, and when I go, I'll usually take a hot yoga class. If any of you have taken hot yoga classes, usually you'll put a towel on top of your mat to help you from sliding. These towels have grippies on the bottom of the mats, which are so nice. This one is from Manduco, which I love. After class, I'm usually drenched with sweat. My clothes, this whole towel is usually soaked. It's disgusting. So I will take all of my clothes and my towel and I will throw it in my number 10 bag. These bags are made from vegan leather, so you don't have to worry about your stinky, smelly clothes ruining your bag because they're waterproof. You can go home, take all of your clothes and your towel, throw it in the wash, and then you can wash your number 10 out with soap and water. It's so nice, and these bags are so cute. This one is our Chrissy Python navy print, if anyone is wondering. Then I also use our number 4 nudie bag. I put all of my toiletries in here, and when I'm in the locker room, I will just grab this bag. Again, I don't have to worry about it getting water damage on it because they're waterproof. So I'll take this whole bag into the shower with me, and afterwards I'll just throw this bag back in my gym bag, no problem. So I use these bags for yoga, like I said, but you can use this system for Pilates or CrossFit, or if you're just going to the gym, it doesn't have to be just yoga. I will be linking these in the description below. Please like this video, and I hope you have a great day, and namaste.